So there are different types of medias, and you may want to see the details of those medias, and Adobe Premiere Elements can help you with that as well. So for that, you need to go around onto the file menu, and then you can get the properties for a file or a particular selection. So let's say, for example, if I were to go around over here on this particular project asset right here and select it, then you can go around and choose selection, as you can see right here. Once you do that, you can see that it says this is the path of the video, that is L video working MP4. This is an MPEG type video, and the file size is 4.56 MB. The image size is 1920 by 1080, which is an SD format, and the frame rate is 25 frames per second. Similarly, you can see the type of audio right here, the duration of the footage, the pixel aspect ratio of the channel, and video codec, as you can see right there. So that is how you can go around and get the properties for the selection right here. Apart from that, you can also go around and get properties for a file right here. So if I were to go around over here and select out, let's say, for example, this particular file and open right here just like this, then you get the properties for the file from the Explorer, just like this, as you can see, which shows the video file size, the resolution, the frame rate, and then pixel aspect ratio, total duration, and so forth. And that is how you can go around and get properties for different files and selection inside of Adobe Premiere Elements, whether be it for the file inside the project asset or file that is stored outside of the project. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.